Hello students, welcome back to the class once again. Now students, after completing the place value and face value, today we are going to discuss the comparison of numbers. How you can compare a 4-digit number and how you can find which value is greatest and which value is smallest. So comparing a number, if I take an example here, suppose there are two numbers 3, 1, 2, 5 and the second number is 3, 2, 2, 5. And if it is said that you have to compare, so for comparison of the numbers and you have to identify which number is greater. So in that case, what we do, we have to compare its digits. And comparison of the digits starts from its thousand place. We have to start comparing from extreme left side digit. That means the first digit at thousand place. So if I compare the digit at thousand place in both these numbers, you can see both are equal. 3 and 3, they both are equal. So if these two digits are equal, then what you have to do? You have to move to the next place digit. That means the digit at 100 place. What is the digit at 100 place here? In the first number, digit at 100 place is 1, and in the second number, the digit at 100 place is 2. Right? So here the values are not equal, but 2 is greater than 1. It means at this place when we are seeing that 1 is less than 2, it means 2 is greater. So we can clearly say that 3225 is greater than 3125. Right students? So this is how you can compare the given numbers and you can identify whether it is greater or whether it is smaller. Right students? I hope this comparison is clear. Let us take some questions from your book exercise. Now, as you can see, the first question, compare, and you have to put the sign of greater than, less than or equal to by comparing the numbers. In the first number, it is 1525 and 2510. If I compare its first digits, so the digit at 1000 place here is 1 and the digit at 1000 place in the next number is 2. Which value is greater? Yes, 2 is greater. Since 2 is greater, it means this complete number is also greater than the first number. So hence you can say 2510 is greater than 1525. And hence you will open the face of crocodile. You can open the mouth of the crocodile towards 2510. Okay students? Next number 4637 and 4763. Once again, when you will compare its first digit at 1000 place, 4 and 4 both are equal. Comparing the next digit at 100 place, here we have 6 and the next number is 7. So which digit is greater? 6 is greater or 7 is greater? Yes, 7 is greater. So hence you can say that 4763 is the greater number. Okay, coming to the last one, 5001, 5100. Now once again, when I compare its digit at 1000 place, both are equal. As soon as I compare its next digit at 100 place, here we have 0 and in the next one it is 1. So which number will be greater? 5100. So once again, 5100 is greater than 5001. This is how you can compare the numbers and you can identify which number is greater. Coming to the second question, in which you have to circle the greatest number. So here there are 4 different numbers given to us and you have to circle which is the greatest one among these 4 numbers. So very first, for comparing, or you can say to find out which number is greatest, we have to compare its digits. So comparing the first digit, 6, 6, 6, 6. That means in all the 4 numbers, the 1000 place digit is 6. It means all are equal. Now compare its 100 place value. At 100 place, 3, 3, 1, 3. So 1 is small, whereas 3, 3 and 3. That means our first number 6310, 6301 and 6330. These three are among equal when we compared its 100 place value. Now we have to discard this one. Why? Because it is smaller. We are finding the greater. So this is now not in the race. Now coming to the next place value 1, 0, 3. Among these 1, 0 and 3, which value is greater? 3 is the greatest one. 3 is the greatest one. 3 is greater than 1 also. 3 is greater than 0 also. And this number is already out from the race. So which is the greatest number now? Yes. 6330 is the greatest number among all these four given numbers. So this is how you can compare the numbers and find the greatest number. Let us now in the next question circle the smallest number. So for finding the smallest number, once again we have to compare 5, 5, 5, 5. So at 1000 place in all the four numbers we have 5. They all are equal. Comparing the next digit at 100 place 0, 1, 0, 1. Now these two 1 at 100 place, these two are bigger. These two are bigger than zeros. 0 which are at 100 place. So in that case we will discard these two numbers because in this question we are finding the smallest number. So we will not consider these two numbers. Now you have to compare between these two. 5010 and 5001. Comparing the next digit at tens place. At tens place here it is 1 and at this number it is 0. Which value is less? Yes. 0 is less than the digit 1. So hence we come to a conclusion that 5001 is the smallest number among the four given values. Clear, students? So this is how you can find the greatest number and the smallest number by comparing the digits. Please students, again I am saying do compare the digits very carefully. Take your time and compare it correctly, because if you will compare it in a wrong manner, maybe you are comparing 1000 digit with its 10th place digit or 100 place digit, you will get a wrong answer also. Clear? Now the last question, write the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. So here digits are given to us and from the given set of digits only you have to form a greatest number and a smallest number. So now how you will do this? Very first to write the greatest number. So the greatest number starts with greatest digit also. So which digit is greatest among these 4, 5, 6, 4, 3? Which is the greatest one? 6. So very first you will write 6. Do not put commas now because you are forming numbers. So you will not put commas. 6. After 6, which is the smallest number? Which is the smaller one? 5. Then after 5, the next smaller value is 4 and the smallest value is 3. So which number is this? 6543. This is our greatest 4-digit number using the given digits. So when the digits are given to us, the greatest number using these 4 digits is 6543. Now similarly, if you have to find, as it is said that you have to find the smallest number also using the same given digits. So for smallest, we start with the smallest digit. So which is the smallest digit? 3. After 3, the next bigger value is 4. After 4, the next bigger value given to us is 5 and the last is 6. So which is the smallest number? 3456. So you can see we have find the greatest and the smallest number, 4-digit number using the given digits. Please students, again I am repeating, do not put the commas. Please students, again I am repeating, you will not put the commas in between the digits when you are forming the number. In numbers, we do not put commas, commas, commas everywhere. Clear? Coming to the next part, the last question of today's lesson. Once again, you have to find the greatest number and the smallest number. Which type of number? 4-digit number. So we have to find the greatest 4-digit number using the given digits 2, 8, 9 and 5. These are the 4 digits given to you, 2, 8, 9 and 5. So for finding the greatest number, we have to start with the greatest digit. Which is the greatest digit? 9. After 9, 8. Then 5 and 2. So which is the greatest number? Using the given 4 digits, 9852. This is the greatest 4-digit number possible using these given digits. Right? Coming to the last one, and you have to find the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. Now to find the smallest number, we start with the smallest digit. The smallest digit is 2. After 2, the next digit is 5, then 8 and 9. So which is the smallest 4-digit number using the digit 2895? It is 2589. Okay students, so today we have discussed the comparison of the numbers, finding the greatest and smallest number, and how we can form the greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. I hope today's lesson is clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.